Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw your money from Shakepay. So friends, this is the platform. You just log in your accounts. This is the first step you need to do. After login and launch your accounts from here, write your email and password. This is the first step you need to do. You will see your dashboard here. As you can see here, click send, this option, send money. You have a lot of choice. You can send in with anti-raise transfer, with wire transfer, with Ethereum, Bitcoins. In this case, I use wire transfer or interest transfer, this option. Just click this one and then choose your account from, and then choose available. This is the available amounts, and then write your recipient you want to transfer or send or withdraw. Choose send, this is option. And then after that, friends, all you have to do, choose so you want to withdraw this money, for example. Click this amount and then click confirm, the steps to confirm. So friends, this is how you can do. Log in your accounts. After that, go to send option and then complete these simple steps. Write your all details here, your recipient names and the number. Then write your amount you want to withdraw. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.